Quick one, India.
Gaka pushes Haas into a tight corner. Choose between the top 4 and the most classic cup. And Haas have today, the close of day today, to decide. Gaka say top 4 no. As of folk can decide it, and in democracy cup no,
We are not learning.
I don't know, we are not learning.
To be seen, the Haas need matches on for preseason.
Coach no krano. Coach no krano see the team ni share Daniel ready sir. Ni bo se kapa no omo ko beat no ka kire omo. So the team no krano share Daniel ready sir because he's here to get to know the team.
Thank you. Eno kra de nya asema o se tie. O team nya ready a league ni start abebo.
Some league in the
league
in the over 4 weeks or the prepare team no.
But the preseason ni
democracy cup ni yi ni nyina no ba as in preseason no
eba the 3rd 4th week of the preseason. Na Sam na anya ready so ball.
Say well I feel he's into be deciding there.
Say ready to
say you know.
No, the decision comes as to me, but either say obebo top 4
or
what's the competition?
The top 4 many matches and when you one off match democracy cup no. So enti aro de obetimi aboba in a situation where in 2-3 days be aboba match no ehonum na issue no.
We another be a for example free for who the ball maybe bia mo ball no. Oh. Maybe how it's very simple. At this stage you should have a grasp of your preseason matches. For the match shadow. And you my ready, me ready.
Before the bemu we had.
Oh, you yati. Yati.
Na ye ba ye the details no and so ebeka ho.
Yati.
Anger. Zackaria Fuseni has deleted everything Kotoko after getting to know he was going to be sacked. Nti Tama obeka ya na no na mbeka kire wo ha no say Zackaria Fuseni onhwe no hu na Kotoko coach ni impressed with the performance at training information anopay on the social media handles ni na wa delete bibia ye Kotoko bia wo ho no nti no am say nkra na odia anso so eno no. He fears House will report him to FIFA and GFA and also take him to court. Solomon Agbesi has denied signing a 3-year contract with the South African side. Tama information I'm picking is we can the information and pay Solomon Agbesi on social media platforms. I could try to hold say on 3 years contract bia. And so we know we can say when tell him before no training then at say and also so hono and so news eba Agbesi and na Tama yati say has for some the court. Say or no omni 3 years contract and na wa fa chiri akoko sign e South Africa ti eno so eye de e won so
na say nya court say FIFA na ko
has be report no in fact no pay impo yeti say MD ni eye ready has be report no ma GFA on be report no ma fencing FIFA then they will take legal action against him as well.
Sir.
Because ebinumo say because has registered as amateur no after 1 season so decided say on renewal he can walk away and no na why no so he had decided to walk away instead of continuing with the contract on the house one because last season has registered as an amateur and almost amateur no a yearly into every year bia na say season after season every season bia no say we renew into we decided so on year
na registration no eno any contract na yade kro
say who register pay bia we deposit copy of the contract no with the FA
me but my question na say omo say register as an amateur ubetimi year bia like those who are arguing say liberty to do what he has done
2 years
and I'm saying that the contracts and the registration are not the same.
Yeah.
You sign the contract that I'm going to be with you for 3 days. The registration is another thing. as an amateur player, you cannot be registered like this, so you're registered like that.
Yes.
But no more on say some year you mama mumfie miensa. And after mfie back no, if you walk away, it just say you have breached the 3-year agreement that you have with them.
Yeah, but and now saying yeah, registered into the other school of thought say it cancels that you know.
How would registration cancel the contract?
Say the amateur no and a koto FA home
no. The what you deposit at the GFA is the contract that you have.
Yes.
And because and also we can say amateur players don't sign contracts. I think they can sign contracts.
Yeah, but almost say
consent of one of either one parent or guardian with money.
Which must sign a contract with the consent
of maybe a guardian.
Okay, so even if you are registered for 1 year, the contract still remains. To answer year beyond register 1 year, so for 3 years. And I just say I need a kind of and tremu.
The very the house of folk ne agbesi tenancy omo agree on the contract 3-year contract now. Has echo register no FA no. That was the day FIFA ban no by house of folk so they won't even register player be until omo TMX no was closed down so won't even register player. At that time the only opportunity at house of folk with me register no was that you used to that amateurish you know and T1 form no be sign now I go through. But international ITMX no so there say koswa the contract with the house of folk no and kebos is in we no awie. But because now we can say say contract and registration different no, he has agreed to a 3-year contract as he can no year 50,000 Ghana cedis. House of folk a year first payment now house of folk arrangement ni has been to 20,000 first year, 15,000 second year, 15,000 third year. And a house of folk up to 20,000 first year no edimano. And register as amateur player, hoping that obu tres we are now the rest system. Season not ended. And agbesi every say or advantage. Who's the players no? Agents no and a control them. At the first was that has a man assurance and a committee the board chairman I remember you can once more I'm cast on to the board no free say even sorry crown they are hoping say they will be for him.
So what stretch ya say man this is your baby I gina say because o kasem no o say Bibia play to his advantage, which means
that's how he see it.
Okay.
That's how he see. I don't know agents no.
Okay. So they cannot see from a vacuum. And to be a mrenumono, ye didn't come. I know I will get something. Emremuno say already stand as an amateur, baby number 4. You have told the whole world that he's an amateur player, and therefore there cannot be another contract.
Sana
me this is what I see. And you know no we say we na go tell we as na so ya amateur no me ya amateur no ma bomb me 1 year we dia and here make me come back
so that maybe he's thinking
the amateur thing
but that, what is the law
negates the original contract
go back to that contract
ejedi Zack I ball every
amateur player
former
yeah man of
former no year division 3 and 2
okay on see can face when can face CEO down omo you be no CEO
Fawaz must say
that Fawaz in me kasa but he was taking face as
Fawaz the man we don't make that Zack to the na Fawaz be kasa maybe the come
Zack to the na Fawaz be kan wase
okay ejedi wo angle bi wo say bafo say abrante na register South Africa and that once he was registered as an amateur player
it negates the original contract
a track contract
it doesn't
for now
it doesn't
Agbesino official handle say onye bibia
oh South Africa
also onye bibia
okay and bafo
this story I'm by house for there and they are house for taking a step on him
aside the FIFA FA there's a civil aspect of it that's why House of Folk able to me and what I say. The contract that he signed, the money that he's collected, salaries that he's been paid. You're just had an amateur player. So he was enjoying that because
that's why the law is interesting. Now, Ujameka
as professional now the boss
football association United and almost amateur. Some Majid is amateur.
Where I say we
for now, player and Ankasa they are two just on sign a contract on farm obia. I think that me sure said they want to work things behind the scenes. Exactly. But when it comes to the football conversation, the registration of the player near the Bay Juma. The registration of the player.
Okay.
Kind of saying, Agbesi, maybe to me a player status committee. That is the Ghana Football Association, the FA, and they will use what is present at the FA to declare him. Omo nyusu contract be a baby for because
if you go everybody be seen and saying a Diana say we want to play no 6 months no na almost 15
sana
na see I know dey Bosian nya no an e dey tua o ade Harry obi busa said George say we have say enye one na actual headlines na
aden
we answer na me fa the other
cause me am sure what was problem
also sometimes o kan as enye wa tro wa won say speech the wow true speech now go kan
George me am
was as a kan as the enye wa na outro yi bi
me am trauma dey George
na uditum za o kan do ba bi as wo hu ni ye
enye se me hu ni ye bi ha na my amendment
okay
ana ya okoboro
okay one ya your amendment
say me
okay
program go for
just ya pious am what is say what you atum say as you also prove of payment and say what say has to aka say no
me
okonya prove no e
and the house na catch there
of course
the all can say to boss na they wait free house for
no tell say you are giving report of what
no but don't know can say what has told you may not be.
That's it. Many problem.
You know, I say, yeah, Tenasi.
I'm saying what they've told me.
Tenasi. If you are also Bibia a counter.
So information will be
when you are dealing with a reported speech. As some will be a can't say what can. The brand can say, yeah, but say, could be a na.
Okay, so to be present, I do say Bianca, me can't come because I'm not from.
Oh, can be I will say, Debbie. Or say, Ebia, Debbie, Ebia, oh, the what in ye, the what in ye, can say what,
okay,
and can say winning.
So the what
you are just an okay. Zack, what we be at the moment on half a year in
what you see, the thing is becoming more dangerous than.
For her,
what you previously thought it not a year. Now, from a very reliable source, that source is now infallible now. So I would say Agbesi did not even sign that contract.
Unsigned contract.
Then they don't know Bobo.
Maybe say sa contract now. Omoya to in China. Omujina so the air commerce. His signatures on the contract.
So the salaries and
okay, and somebody, one of our football people, will say, you cannot register an amateur player for more than 1 year. And therefore, you cannot have a contract of more than 1 year with an amateur player.
Oh yeah, that's one. So for the registration, that's true.
And you know, see, payment salary was an ambush one. A little people say, "Oh, evidence of that."
No, you see.
So what I say?
Say the truth is that say always say some amateur. Whatever I do money be no.
Based on amateur
no the
agreement, yeah.
You can't go and tell people say we registered him as an amateur, but we pay him as a professional player. It just you are trying to be smart. You will punish yourself for trying to beat the system. Because you're banning. And I will say you'll be smart and beat the system. And he said, okay, I cannot go and do this explanation. Now, Mr. Toda, me say the Amadenpo case, no case in Pony say, the perceived contract na say then chempo na omo ko civil court no. The boy did not sign. Yes, the boy told them February the boy got 20,000 from us. February, yeah, I mean more the breakdown of a
also the what now so
February. The boy went and took the 20,000 in February. So after taking the money,
work up.
yes, I don't catch him say work up on the bar. He come and sign the contract.
He said also dupu house.
On record, that means you see, nothing dangerous. On record, there is no.
It says can offer for what purpose? Hey, now for some teaching confused.
Oh, now the 20,000 is scared to come with 20,000.
It's on record. Has any contract evidence that say boy no 3-year contract because that's contract no. Boy no did not put his signature. It's person woman education without the signature of me no why agreement.
There's no contract.
The board did not sign.
No, there's no contract.
It's the MD no me honestly.
There's no contract.
And woman has a lot of questions to ask. Say would you more be catch say mo de me kwa aba. Ma be sign ni. Ampa no ma na also uncle. And I know pay that source me that gave me this info. Don't lie. Sanity and me yeah.
So this fact don't lie.
And man me yeah. You have to resign. Don't wait for
him
to
resign. Mo resign.
And the pass on can me sack no. He should resign. No. Why was he brought in? Okay, now.
Na man February on no.
February no.
But we got the starting no. Back on no.
Hey. Manchester, you know. Manchester, you know.
You're good in your Manchester. Nisibi. So, I tell the young win Kakana Bapo, we are transfers
last one
was good position.
South African striker Jesse Makwana has joined Kotoko players at the clubhouse and is set to sign a 2-year contract with the club.
Jesse Makwana. No way.
Official African buy on the corner on omom di animu no.
Jesse Makwana. Only di animu 1 and 2 no.
Bon nekese ka dey you 2 tisu mami.
And the one no.
Oh, me ya that my head akọ no.
Oh, the one there you dey one record there.
The one the odi in the as of that na the people animu no.
So only Jesse Makwana. No team be.
Ni team no na.
No position be.
Oh, a striker.
Number 9.
Where a striker.
Asem no ya ihu. Ba for Jesse Makwana no no.
Oh, Jesse Makwana wo.
Kase bia wunya hu ne na ye.
Akọhwe na ball na
Jesse Makwana.
Because one far on to the mami na yeah 1 year. But
okay, so am mo gina ene dey. Dia Jesse Makwana no. Baba for the hotel Philip Amoso.
Jesse, the Minanya Rastaman in America. Say who no.
Okay.
Say who no.
Okay,
and now who Jesse.
Baunya utima no.
There be no ye check here as a cabinet itimake, but the coba.
Jesse Makwana.
Not satisfied with his current backroom staff, Eric Tinkler has recommended another South African to be his assistant. Tama, be 2 South Africa for bench ho. And TM say, fencing. Oma Makande, she said, "It's good baby because or here sending a normal kakona. This was a crew ni bana obebuano. Emani Jumano. Oma Makani nano on your comfortable with them. Into a catch champion for say, or Hamza Munina de Bonyumuni cry.
Jesse Makwana, Nidin when an area.
Me
go Jesse Makwana be a mobile. You. Because
the guy that I reported on
only there
by a Ghanaian. Left back
Obo
Obo match nibi. nti yeah left back and ra obo no bi nti I'm sure say Ari Jesse Makwana no bia anope no bedu because
Jesse Makwana nya anope no bedu o team ni mu ono mo ye training yi
that's what that
or a camp team or nominate me nya hu me ye me try I was trying to identify him na me team no ye ho adwuma but we ye be kwa aba
because
Tibo Makwana na Jesse Makwana
akoto want me to Tibo Makwana oni me Tibo Makwana
Tibo Makwana na
sanda obeto akoto no
o mfam se bia ne contract
ensa ye
akoto go timi to stand up
mo me anje jomo so they come by Tibo Makwana menye
Tibo Makwana na o Jesse Makwana ni o
ade a me say
me source ndi ma me no we say
South African Kotoko training ground is assistant coach Asat me training ground that's the only South African so until they young will still find out
no only person that did Jesse Makwana David nya coach
that's it
left back and already
before na produce no we by this time count
na so Accra Zolo Accra
office
yeah Zack go you kakana solo matter of phone bra we just
so some minutes ago ana Fabrizio report say Logic ama young Diomandi kwan say he should travel
we was in the plane too
and finalize his medicals na omunye dini
okay say e ka senya na update bo one confirm say left back your friend Oma
o gani
Oma ne Jesse Makwana
say na ye hwe phone
so ware oba na say o ko fifa kuku ne to to feed nnuane aso onye na aduane ni no ani azade amade voyi omo ni coach ni ya please o wi asi nyina mo tom e ma no omo ko so amomo nko ado omo da to coach na
munye mun so be dira
team die